Hello, this is immigration attorney Curtis Morrison, based in Southern California, practicing in California and Washington, D.C. This video is about the Reuniting Families lawsuit. I've got quite a few questions that are happening over and over and over, so I want to address them in video. Okay, so one frequently asked question that we get is the payment plan. How does that work? Okay, well, how do I pay the fees? Okay, so first of all, we don't collect the initial payment until after you have received the onboarding email, reviewed the proposed retainer agreement, and answered and ask any questions you have about that retainer agreement, because I don't want to enter into contracts with you that you don't understand. We need to make sure that you understand the contracts before we go to that step where we accept your money. Okay, so the initial fee to participate is $500. Now, the fee, if there is success and we have entries like your family beneficiaries that are now outside the United States are able to enter the United States, then $500 for each beneficiary, either the beneficiary, primary beneficiary, or derivative beneficiaries. So $500 for the spouses and children too, basically. So a frequently asked question I get is, do I have to pay that other $500 if we don't win in court? That is a fair question. Yes, you do. And let me tell you why, because I understand why you would have questions about that. First of all, we have to do the same amount of work whether or not we prevail at court or not. So I'm still going to have to pay labor to all the administrative staff and all my staff attorneys to get to the place where we find out whether or not we are successful at court. So that's one of the reasons the fee is modest. You know, it's not that expensive to join a lawsuit. And the second thing is we provide consular support, consular processing support. So if you have a problem, which you will, because all day long on Telegram and WhatsApp and email and phone, all we do is field people that have problems and we try to help them with them. So if you have a problem with the consular processing stage, you know that we're there to help you, okay? For us to be able to do that work, we have to be paid for it too. So the fees in the retainer agreement are due if visa issued and there's an entry, okay? And that's independent of the order that we get in San Francisco in the litigation. So our goal is not to win a lawsuit. Our goal is to get the entry of the immigrant into the United States. So that's what we will be working for, and that's when we will want to be paid when that happens. Thank you.